The Court of Appeal, in a 2-1 majority decision on Friday, ruled that children born overseas to Malaysian women who are married to foreign spouses are not entitled to be Malaysian citizens. The 3-member bench chaired by Justice Datuk Kamaluddin Mat Said made the ruling after allowing the appeal by the government, the Home Ministry and the National Registration Department Director General.
Today's decision is extremely disappointing. More so that our lives and the lives of our children continue to be affected by this unjust, discriminatory interpretation of the Federal Constitution. This is indeed a setback, but we will not be deterred. We will appeal this decision to the federal court, hopefully, and continue to hold faith in our justice system. We stand firm in the belief that one day our government will see us, Malaysian women and Malaysian mothers, as we see ourselves, as equal citizens, and that our children have just as much a right to be Malaysian as the children of Malaysian men. Sorry, Prof, I'll pass it on to you.
Yes, well, as explained, it was a 2-1 decision. There was a very strong dissent to the majority decision. And the minority decision by Justice Nantabalan made it quite clear that there was discrimination which was illogical, perverse, and demeaned and degraded the dignity of women. So this matter, as the federal court, as the Court of Appeal itself said, that this is bound to be appealed, and we will be filing our leave to appeal within the requisite time of 30 days to have this tested now at the level of the federal court. It's a very important decision. In fact, we will be asking the federal court to have a full panel, not just the normal 3, maybe 5, maybe 7, because this is a very critical issue that has been raised that affects women and their children. The other point is, but the other important thing is that there were 6 plaintiffs in this case who filed this application. They are, based on the High Court decision, they were granted citizenship by operation of law. There was no stay allowed, so the mothers went and got the citizenship certificate from the authorities, as well as, I think, my card, my kit, and so on. Those have already been issued to them after the High Court decision. What was agreed to, and also will form the order of this Court of Appeal, is that those 6 citizenship status will remain as is. In other words, the government, despite winning this case, will not withdraw the citizenship status that has already been granted to the mothers of the children. And as far as pending applications are concerned, because there have been a large number of applications that have been filed, these applications are frozen. In other words, they will not be rejected, and that they will remain as is until we have this matter finally determined by the federal court.
Adeline Adam Teo is among the 6 mothers who have received citizenship documents for their children. She stressed that the same rights should be accorded to other Malaysian mothers facing the same predicament.
Saya ingin bertanya, bukankah setiap warga negara Malaysia sepatutnya diberi hak yang sama rata? Kenapa kita jaga lelaki tapi tidak menjaga wanita warga negara Malaysia? So saya berharap agar Mahkamah Persekutuan akan memberi hak yang sama rata kepada semua rakyat, tak kira awak dilahirkan di mana, awak berbangsa apa, awak jantina apa. Ya, semua kita sama rata. Kita semua sayang Malaysia. Kita sangat ini adalah tanah air kita, tanah air yang sangat suci, dan kita akan terus menjadi orang Malaysia.
Lavender Kaur, whose daughter was born in India, implored for end to the discrimination against Malaysian mothers.
Saya Lavender Kaur, ibu yang terkesan undang-undang negara Malaysia yang tak sama rata. Saya nak tanya kepada kerajaan yang berhak berkenaan, apa nasib anak saya? Anak saya datang sini turis visa untuk 30 hari je. Saya dah mohon untuk SPM, tapi anak saya tak dapat visa. Macam mana anak saya nak belajar dan duduk SPM? Apa masa depan anak perempuan saya? Tahun 2020, anak saya nak duduk SPM. Saya kena darah tinggi, buat operasi kepala, tangan dah stroke. Doktor beritahu saya tahun depan mungkin saya akan masuk ward lagi sebab saraf saya ada bengkak lagi. Mungkin nak kena operation lagi. Kalau apa-apa berlaku dengan saya, mana tahu next operation saya tak ingat apa-apa. Nanti siapa nak berlari untuk anak saya? Anak saya nak pergi ke mana? Beritahu saya nak jawapan dari kerajaan. Saya memang tak larat. Memang tak larat.
The lawsuit was filed in December 2020, seeking for the courts to declare that children born overseas to Malaysian mothers with foreign spouses would automatically have Malaysian citizenship instead of having to apply to be recognised as Malaysians.